It's an adventure, a journey into a world of vibrant colors, tantalizing tastes, and unforgettable moments.
Hey everyone, John Daub here, and welcome to a deep dive into the heart of summer in Japan. Thinking about visiting Japan in June or July 2025? Great choice. Summer here is unforgettable. It's a season that awakens all the senses, offering a unique perspective on this incredible country. It's a time of vibrant festivals, where ancient traditions come alive in a riot of color and sound. Lush green landscapes, stretching as far as the eye can see, offering a tranquil escape from the bustling cities. And unique seasonal treats. From refreshing shaved ice to savory street food, your taste buds are in for a treat. Yes, it gets hot and humid. Think walking through a warm, wet blanket. But don't let that deter you, embrace it as part of the experience. June brings rain, a period known as Tsuyu, but don't let that scare you off. The rain brings a certain beauty to the landscapes, and there are plenty of indoor activities to enjoy. With a little prep, you'll have an amazing trip. Knowing what to expect is half the battle. The Japanese summer is bursting with life-buzzing cities alive with energy and excitement, green countryside offering a peaceful retreat into nature's embrace, and endless things to do. From historical sites to modern marvels, there's something for everyone. Experiencing the humidity is just part of the story. Dodging a downpour becomes a shared experience, a moment of camaraderie with fellow travelers, then cooling off with shaved ice. A simple pleasure that becomes a cherished memory. It's all part of the adventure. Embracing the unexpected is what makes travel so rewarding. The sounds of cicadas fill the air, a constant reminder of the season's vibrant energy, and hydrangeas bloom everywhere. Their delicate beauty adds a touch of magic to the landscape. When the sun shines, the skies are brilliantly blue, a perfect backdrop for exploring. And evenings are perfect for a stroll. The air is cooler, and the city lights twinkle like stars. It's a season of contrasts. Cool mountain streams offering respite from the summer heat. Lively festivals where you can immerse yourself in Japanese culture. And warm nights. Perfect for enjoying outdoor dining and soaking in the atmosphere. The Japanese are experts at beating the heat and rain. They've perfected the art of staying comfortable. You'll pick up clever tricks along the way. From portable fans to cooling towels, you'll learn to adapt like a local. This guide will help you navigate everything summer throws at you, ensuring you're well prepared for any situation. From packing tips to staying cool and what to do, rain or shine, we'll cover all the bases. We'll cover all the essentials, leaving no stone unturned in your quest for the perfect summer adventure, so you can focus on having a fantastic time. After all, that's what it's all about. Japan in June and July is a unique blend of challenges and rewards. It's a season that will test your limits but also reward you with unforgettable experiences. Be prepared, stay flexible, and most importantly, keep an open mind. And dive into the experience. Embrace the culture, the food, and the people. You'll discover a side of Japan many tourists miss. A more authentic, more intimate, and more rewarding experience awaits. Let's get started. Your summer adventure in Japan awaits. Let's get real about the weather. June means Tsuyu, the rainy season. Across most of Japan, expect frequent showers, overcast skies, and high humidity. But not constant rain. Temperatures in June hover around 20-26 degrees Celsius. But humidity makes it feel warmer. July brings the real heat. 30-35 degrees Celsius. And humidity over 70%. It's intense, but manageable with the right strategies. Japan's regions differ. Hokkaido escapes most rain and stays mild. 15-25 degrees Celsius, making it a summer haven. Okinawa's rainy season ends by late June. So July is all about sunshine, beaches, and warm seas. But watch for typhoons. For Tokyo and Kyoto, expect June to be wet, and July to be hot and steamy. Always check local forecasts, especially if you're heading south. The weather is part of the adventure. Embrace it. With a little planning, you'll be ready for anything. Let's move on to what to pack. Packing smart for a summer trip to Japan isn't just about fitting everything in your suitcase. It's about preparing for the unique climate and conditions you'll encounter. Japan's summer is known for its heat, humidity, and occasional typhoons, so packing smart is absolutely key. Rain gear is a must. Bring a lightweight, breathable rain jacket. Look for one that packs down small so it doesn't take up too much space in your luggage. And don't forget a compact umbrella. A folding umbrella is ideal, as it can easily be stashed in your bag for unexpected showers. Quick-drying clothes are your best friend. They'll keep you comfortable even when you're sweating or caught in a downpour. Avoid heavy cotton. It absorbs moisture and takes forever to dry, which can leave you feeling uncomfortable and even chilled. Pack loose, breathable tops and bottoms, made from fabrics like linen or moisture-wicking synthetics. Also pack extra socks. Humidity and rain can soak your feet, leading to discomfort and potential blisters. Having a fresh pair on hand can make a big difference. Sun protection is absolutely essential. Bring a wide-brimmed hat to shield your face and neck from the intense sun. Don't forget sunglasses and high SPF sunscreen to protect your eyes and skin from harmful UV rays. Reapply sunscreen frequently, especially after sweating. A portable fan, folding or battery-powered, is a lifesaver. It will save you on those sweltering hot days, especially when you're exploring crowded areas or waiting for transportation. Consider UV protective clothing for added defense against the sun's rays. Pack light scarves if you're particularly sun-sensitive. They can also be used to cover your shoulders or neck when visiting temples or other religious sites. Shoes should be comfortable and water-resistant. You'll be doing a lot of walking and you don't want to be stuck with soggy feet. Sports sandals are great for wet days, offering both comfort and breathability. Avoid heavy leather shoes that take forever to dry and can become uncomfortable in the heat. Flip-flops or sandals are handy for relaxing or short trips out, especially around your hotel or guest house. Don't forget to pack a small towel or handkerchief for wiping away sweat. You'll be surprised how much you'll need it. A travel clothesline and pegs can be incredibly useful for drying clothes in your room, especially if you're hand-washing items or need to dry wet swimwear. Being prepared with the right gear makes all the difference in ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable summer trip to Japan. Pack light, but pack smart, focusing on items that will protect you from the elements and keep you comfortable throughout your adventures. You'll thank yourself every day when you're prepared for whatever the Japanese summer throws your way. Now, with these essentials covered, let's talk about some clever travel hacks to maximize space and convenience during your trip. Tsuyu, Japan's rainy season, can be tricky, but with a few clever hacks, you'll navigate it like a pro. Don't let the rain dampen your spirits. Instead, embrace the challenge with these insider tips. We're about to turn you into a seasoned traveler, ready to conquer any downpour. Lost your umbrella? No problem. A cheap, sturdy, clear umbrella is available at any convenience store. These transparent umbrellas are not only practical but also allow you to see where you're going, ensuring you don't bump into anyone on crowded streets. Wet shoes are a common problem. Stuff them with newspaper to absorb the moisture and dry them quickly. The newspaper acts as a natural dehumidifier, drawing out the dampness and helping your shoes regain their shape. Utilize hotel amenities to your advantage. Use the hotel's clothes dryer if available, or hang your damp clothes in the bathroom and turn on the ventilation fan. This creates a mini drying room, perfect for refreshing your wardrobe. Body wipes from Japanese drugstores are a lifesaver. Cooling, deodorizing, and perfect for freshening up on the go. These wipes are specially formulated to combat the humidity and leave you feeling refreshed. Always carry a small towel or handkerchief to wipe away sweat. It's a simple yet effective way to stay comfortable in the humid climate. Choose a quick drying material for maximum convenience. Explore the extensive underground shopping malls and covered walkways in big cities like Tokyo and Osaka. These interconnected networks offer a refuge from the rain and heat, allowing you to stay dry and cool while exploring the city. These areas are not only air-conditioned but also packed with a diverse array of shops and restaurants, providing endless entertainment and dining options. On rainy days, embrace the indoor world. Museums, art galleries, and themed cafés offer plenty to explore and enjoy. Stay flexible with your itinerary, and you'll have fun, rain or shine. Embrace the unexpected and discover hidden gems along the way. Japanese convenience stores, or konbini, have everything you need for quick fixes, from umbrellas and snacks to toiletries and travel essentials. Use these tricks, and you'll blend in with the locals, navigating the rainy season like a true Japanese resident. Remember, the weather is just another part of the adventure, adding a unique flavor to your Japanese experience. Next, let's unlock some Japanese summer-style secrets so you can stay cool and fashionable, even in the heat and humidity. Japanese summer style is all about staying cool and comfortable. Choose light, loose, breathable fabrics. Linen, seersucker, or technical blends. Flowy dresses, wide-leg trousers, and loose shirts are perfect. Hats are both stylish and practical for sun protection. Parasols with UV-blocking properties are common and effective. Try a yukata, a traditional cotton kimono. At festivals or ryokan for a cultural experience and great photos. Observe locals. You'll see lots of UV protective cardigans and long sleeves. Neat, clean and comfortable is the way to go for sightseeing. Don't stress about being too formal. Just avoid beachwear in the city. Prioritize comfort and you'll enjoy your trip so much more. Japanese summer fashion is practical and elegant. Blend in, stay cool, and have fun with your style. Now let's cool down with some delicious summer treats. Ready to eat? Summer in Japan means amazing seasonal food to help you beat the heat, kakigori. Fluffy shaved ice with syrup and condensed milk is a must-try. Cold noodles like hayashi chuka, somen, and zaru soba are refreshing and delicious. Try nagashi somen for a fun, interactive meal. Summer fruits. Watermelon, peaches, cherries are extra sweet and juicy. Convenience stores offer limited edition summer snacks and ice creams. Salty snacks help replenish electrolytes lost to sweat. Mugicha, cold roasted barley tea, is caffeine-free and super refreshing. Department store food halls, depachika, are air-conditioned havens packed with treats. Train stations also have great dining options for a quick, cool meal. Exploring these food spots is a perfect way to escape the heat or rain. Let's see what to do when the weather keeps you indoors. Rainy day? No problem, Japan's indoor activities are top-notch. Explore world-class museums from art to history to science. Shopping malls and department stores offer endless browsing, dining and entertainment, all air-conditioned. Try a relaxing soak in an onsen or public bath, even in summer, it's rejuvenating. Cafe hopping is a cozy way to spend a rainy afternoon, find a window seat and watch the world go by. Many cafes have free Wi-Fi, perfect for planning or sharing your adventures. Indoor fun is everywhere, so don't let the rain slow you down. Embrace the chance to see a different side of Japan. Now let's make the most of those sunny days. When the sun's out, it's time to enjoy Japan's vibrant summer festivals. Matsuri. Experience traditional music, dancing, food stalls, and fireworks. Check local listings for events like Kyoto's Gion Matsuri or fireworks festivals. Love nature? Head to the mountains for hiking and cooler air. Kamakochi and the Japanese Alps are stunning. City parks and gardens are lush and perfect for a stroll. Beaches are popular. Kamakura, Enoshima, and Okinawa offer great escapes. Always bring sunscreen, a hat, and water. Visit Hokkaido's Furano for breathtaking lavender fields in July. Flower parks like Hitachi Seaside Park are beautiful in summer. Start outdoor activities early to avoid the midday heat. The summer sun brings out the best of Japan. Enjoy every moment. Let's wrap up with some final survival tips. Final tips for thriving in Japan's summer. Stay hydrated. Carry a water bottle and refill often. Use vending machines for cold drinks everywhere. Avoid the midday heat. Plan outdoor activities for mornings or evenings. Take breaks in air-conditioned spaces during the hottest hours. Listen to your body. Rest if you feel overheated. Carry a towel or handkerchief for sweat. You'll see locals doing the same. Cooling body wipes are a lifesaver. Watch how locals cope. Use fans, hats, and seek shade. Embrace the experience. Heat and rain are part of Japan's summer magic. With the right mindset and preparation, you'll have an incredible adventure. Enjoy every moment. Japan in summer is unforgettable. That's it for your Japan summer guide. Hit like if this helped you, and comment your travel dates below. Maybe we'll bump into each other in Tokyo. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more Japan travel tips at Utopie Travel. See you in my next video.